Welcome to iWorld, unlocking AI intelligence for all. In this video, we will learn about Rise with SAP, its advantages, and the difference between Greenfield and Brownfield implementation in a very simple way that anyone can understand. What is Rise with SAP? Rise with SAP is a complete business transformation package offered by SAP. Instead of buying different SAP products, cloud services, and tools separately, SAP provides everything together in one bundle and one contract. This makes the cloud journey faster, smoother, and easier for companies. What does RISE include? RISE includes SAP HANA Cloud, SAP BTP, SAP Business Network, SAP Signavio for process analysis, migration tools, and cloud hosting on providers like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, or SAP Cloud. Everything you need to move your business to the cloud managed by SAP. Why did SAP create RISE? In the past, companies took years to migrate to SAP S/4HANA. There were too many vendors, too many contracts, and too many complexities. RISE simplifies all of this by giving companies a single package, a single roadmap, and a single responsible party SAP. So advantages of RISE with SAP. RISE with SAP has many powerful advantages. One contract. Lower cost of ownership. Faster cloud transformation. Standard best practices already built into the system. Stronger security and compliance handled by SAP. Automatic upgrades, and continuous new innovations. Access to SAP TP for AI, machine learning, and automation. And process intelligence through SAP Signavio. Now, let's understand implementation approaches. Greenfield and Brownfield. 14-field implementation. Greenfield means starting fresh. A company builds a brand new SAP Site 4 HANA system from scratch. Old processes, old customizations, and old issues are not carried forward. This approach is best for companies that want to adopt modern SAP best practices, clean data, and a fresh digital start. Key advantages of Greenfield: modern processes from day one. Clean and simplified system, easy to adopt new features and innovations. Challenges of Greenfield: users must learn the new system, business processes may need to change. Brownfield implementation. Brownfield means upgrading your existing SAP system, such as ECC, into SAP S/4HANA. HANA, you keep your old processes, old data, and even many custom development. It is a conversion approach that is faster and creates less disruption for users. So advantages of Brownfield: faster migration. Lower training effort, existing processes and data stay the same. Challenges of Brownfield: old problems and customizations may continue. Harder to adopt clean best practices. Which one should a company choose? Most companies choose Greenfield for public cloud because it requires standardized processes. And they choose Brownfield for private cloud because it allows flexibility and reuse of existing systems. Final summary: RISE with SAP helps companies move to the cloud in a simpler, faster, and more cost-effective way. Greenfield gives a fresh start. Brownfield upgrades the existing system. Both approaches help businesses prepare for the future of SAP. Thank you for watching. This is iWorld, unlocking AI intelligence for all. Subscribe for more SAP AI and technology learning.